Hola, hola, bienvenidos a todos. Welcome everyone. I'm Mr. Brigs bringing you the Spanish word of the day. Today's word is the word busy in Spanish. But before that,
my dear amigos, I would like to extend you a warm invitation to subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed, then consider joining my VIP premium membership. For less than a cup of coffee a month, you will gain access to all my printables. You will be able to download each of the lessons with all the vocabulary included in my video lessons.
Perfecto, here we go. Aquí vamos. Busy in Spanish is ocupado. Ocupado. And if you're a female, ocupada. 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 That's right, that's how you say busy en español. Let's learn to say I'm busy. Yo estoy ocupado. Yo estoy ocupado. Yo estoy muy ocupado. I'm very busy. If you're a female, yo estoy ocupada. Yo estoy muy, M-U-Y, which means very, ocupada. I'm very busy. Yo estoy muy ocupada. Excelente. Make sure that you pronounce this loud. He is busy. Él está ocupado. Él está ocupado. One more time. Él está ocupado. He is busy. Excelente. And once again, we're using the verb estar because this is temporary. You're not busy all the time. Sometimes you got free time, so we use estar for temporary things. She's busy. Ella está ocupada. Ella está muy ocupada. She's very busy. Ella está extremadamente ocupada. She's extremely busy. That's a new one. I may add it for my next videos. Ejemplos using the past tense. So we're going to see some examples. Ejemplos. He was busy. Él estaba ocupado. He was busy. How would you say he was very busy? Muy bien. Él estaba muy ocupado. Perfecto. Otro ejemplo. Another example. She was busy. Ella estaba ocupada. She was very busy. Ella estaba muy ocupada. Ella estaba extremadamente ocupada. She was extremely busy. Muy bien. ¿Estás ocupado? Are you busy? Now, if you ask a female, you would ask, ¿Estás ocupada? Are you busy? This is a very important question. It's very handy and practical. Ocupado. O-C-U-P-A-D-O or D-A, depending on the gender. Spelled in English is O-C-U-P-A-D-O or D-A at the end, depending on the gender once again. Ocupado, ocupada. Excelente amigos, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget, I will be uploading a new video tomorrow. Subscribe if you haven't done so and check my videos out. I got more than 400 videos. Have a look around my playlists. There may be something that you enjoy. Take care, my friends, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.